One of the most incredible Sadaqah Jariyah projects that ILM deliver is that wherever they install a water solution, they always establish a kitchen gardening project. This is a project that provides food and livelihoods to our women and to their families for years and years and years to come. For just £150, you're giving our sisters, the mothers of our ummah, the means, the basic vegetables and herbs they need to feed their families and whatever extra to sell in the marketplace and make some income. It's an incredible Sadaqah Jariyah project because, of course, for every plant that is planted, the Messenger of God, peace be upon him, told us that if a bird or an animal or a person eats from it or benefits from it, every single time it is considered a charitable gift, a Sadaqah Jariyah. It's an incredible thing to do for us, for ourselves and for our loved ones.
ही सब्जी काटनी आहे बाग़ ॾिनो आहे हिन जे करे जो असां ग़रीब हुआसीं नंढड़ा मुंहिंजा ॿार हुया उन्हनि जी हाणे तालीम सुठी थींदी खाधो वग़ैरह सुठो पचाए ॾींदमि हे अधड़ियूं आयूं आहिनि जेके मायूं इहे कमकार कनि थियूं इन्हनि खे मां पैसा ॾींदमि असांजो इहो सफ़र गुज़र हुयो असां पचाईंदा हुआसीं सब्जी खाईंदा हुआसीं उन मां असां खपाए वरी माना पंहिंजो गुज़रान कंदासीं हाणे शुक्र आहे असांखे बाग़ काए ॾिनो आहे हाणे असांजी ज़िंदगी सुठी गुज़रंदी असांजे बच्चनि जी सुठी ज़िंदगी गुज़रंदी सॼे ॻोठ वारनि जे लाइ
Over 100 trees are being planted that will support a large family of about 14-15 people for generations to come, giving them a livelihood, an income and food to eat. How incredible is that? Imagine doing something just one time and then every day, every moment, every minute, every hour, you're gathering these rewards for hundreds of years to come. The Messenger of God sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there is not a Muslim who plants a tree or sows a seed, a bird, an animal or a person eats from it or benefits from it, except that every single time that happens, it is considered a sadaqah. It's considered a charitable gift. What an incredible Sadaqah Jariyah to give ourselves and our loved ones this Ramadan. Give the simple gift that keeps on giving. Plant trees with ILM.